In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Weebly domain DNS records in just 5 minutes. If you've ever wondered how to effectively configure your domain's DNS settings with Weebly, you're in the right place. We'll take a detailed look at the steps needed to manage these settings easily. First, you're going to head over to your Weebly site. This is where you're going to copy your site address if you need it for quick reference later. It's always a good idea to have your site information on hand, so keep it somewhere easy to access as we go through this process. Next, type in the phrase manage DNS record into the Weebly platform search function. Once you see the option pop up, go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to starting with the DNS management process. Understanding what DNS records do is crucial because these are the settings that help route traffic to your website and ensure everything operates smoothly. Now, you'll want to navigate over to the domain page. You'll find a clearer overview of all the domains attached to your Weebly account here. Locating your specific domain is key, so ensure that you have selected the right one. Look for the 3 dots located usually at the far end of the domain row. This is a sign for more options. Clicking on these dots will open up additional settings where you'll eventually find the management options for your domain. After you've clicked on the 3 dots, you should see a Manage button. Clicking this will take you to the specific section where you can handle all aspects of your domain management. This section includes changing records, which is crucial for directing your website properly. In this area, you'll also find your contact information related to the domain. It's always wise to review this to ensure everything is up to date. Failing to keep this information current could lead to complications when it comes to renewing or managing your domain. Make sure you visit the DNS records section next, as this is critically important. DNS records are the backbone of your domain configuration, and understanding each element's functionality can help you in managing your website effectively. For any changes you need, click on the Edit option next to the DNS record. Editing these settings permits you to align your domain with any additional services or changes your website may require. Copy only the necessary parts to ensure continuity and effectiveness for your domain. Don't forget to head over to the MX records section. Similarly, you'll need to click Edit for any changes here. MX records handle your email routing, ensuring emails sent to your domain address are correctly directed to your email account. Again, copying this information carefully will ensure no disruption in your email services. And there you have it. That's a quick, straightforward guide on managing your Weebly domain DNS records effectively. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll maintain a smoothly running domain. Thanks for watching, and happy configuring.